Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself, Mrudula Kadadaru, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, today let us take a quick recap on chapter 11, speed, distance and time. So children, let us begin. Students, in this video we are going to see how to find distance when speed and time are given. So to find distance we have the formula distance is equals to speed into time. So how this formula came? Let us check it. We have the formula for speed, that is distance upon time taken. So this t is dividing over here. When it comes to this side of is equals to, it becomes multiplication. So yes, that is speed into time is equals to distance. Now just translate it. So distance is equals to speed into time. Similarly, if we take or if we want to find time, next what we have to do? This yes, as it is single here, when it comes this side it becomes division and this comes this side. So time taken will be distance upon speed. So based on these two formulas we will solve some of the examples. Example 1. How much distance will be covered in 5 hours at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour? So children, for 1 hour it is traveling 50 kilometers per hour. So what will be the distance when it is covering for 5 hours? So 50 into 5. So when you multiply 5 5 are 25 and the 0 as it is. So for 5 hours it is traveling 250 kilometers. We have next example. How much distance will be covered in 1.5 hours at a speed of 30 meters per minute? So children, you already know 1.5 hours is nothing but for 1 hour we have 60 minutes and for half an hour we have 30 minutes. So 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. Distance covered in 1 minute is 30 meters. So the total distance covered in 90 minutes will be 30 into 90 is equals to 2700 meters. 3 9s are 27 and this 2 zeros over here. Is it clear? Next, this is in meters. When they have told 1.5 hour, so hours means we have to calculate in kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So when we are converting meters into kilometers, we have to divide by 1000. So 2700 divided by 1000. You get the answer 2.7 kilometers. Similarly, now let us solve some examples on time. How to find the time? Example 1. How much time will be taken to cover a distance of 250 kilometers at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour? So children, you know time taken to cover 50 kilometers is equals to 1 hour. So time taken to cover 1 kilometer will be 1 upon 50 hours, isn't it? So totally they have to cover 250 kilometers. So time taken to cover 250 kilometers will be 1 upon 50 into 250. So you will get 5 10s are 50, 5 5s are 25 and this 0 as it is. 10 1s are 10, 10 5s are 50. So 1 into 5 you get 5 hours. So to cover a total distance of 250 kilometers we need 5 hours. Let us take another example. How much time will be taken to cover 10 meter at a speed of 10 centimeters per second? So children, to cover a distance of 10 centimeters we require 1 second. So time taken to cover 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 10 seconds, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters and 10 meter will be 1000 centimeters. So time taken to cover 10 meters will be equal to 1 upon 10 into 1000. So 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100, and this 0 as it is. So 1 into 100, you get 100 seconds. So children, we have some units where we need to express the speed in terms of smaller units or in terms of larger units. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, or you can also write 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 hours. Similarly, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, or you can also write 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. And next, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, or you can also write 1 second is equals to 1 upon 60 minutes. So children, don't get confused with the units, just go through them.